I am absolutely obsessed with this creamy, smoky, eggy tasting smashed white bean salad. And it only takes 10 minutes to make it. My kid is not a huge fan of chickpeas, so when I needed a quick lunch for him during spring break, I made this smashed white bean salad instead. It's got this like eggy, smoky flavor that is just so addictive, and it is so easy to make. Let's do it! First, we're gonna smash our white beans. You can do this in a bowl, but I'm gonna use my food processor because it's faster. And then we're gonna add some chopped onion. You don't have to chop it up fine because the food processor will help with that. And I say 2 tablespoons, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. We're also gonna add some mayo to make it creamy. The recipe says 2 tablespoons, but just, go with your gut. And then we're gonna add all of the spices. So some garlic powder and some onion powder and a little turmeric for color because we're gonna give this an eggy flavor, so I wanted it to look a little bit eggy also. When I originally made this, I used smoked paprika, but you can also use Kashmiri chili powder or hot paprika or regular paprika. And then for that eggy flavor, we're gonna use a little bit of black salt. Black salt is also called Indian sulfur salt, and it has this eggy smell and flavor. You can find it at Indian markets or online, but if you don't want to get black salt, you can use table salt instead. So we're gonna smash these beans in here. White beans are very soft, so it's gonna happen really fast. Look at that texture. It's creamy, but with a little bit of chunkiness. That's perfect. Now I'm gonna pull the blade out of the food processor, and suddenly it's a bowl. The last thing I'm gonna do is add some of these shredded carrots. You don't have to buy shredded carrots if you don't want to. I just like these because they're easy. You can use whatever chopped crunchy veggies you like celery or radish. We're gonna just stir this up because this is a bowl now. Look at that creamy white bean salad. Let's make a sandwich. I'm gonna keep this sandwich pretty simple because the white bean salad has so much flavor in it already. It's also pretty mayo-y, so I'm gonna skip putting a spread on the bread. I'm considering this the protein and the bread spread. Classic case of bread spread. Let's add a little fresh lettuce for crunch. And then I'm gonna add some of these pickled jalapenos that I made a few days ago because I like a little extra heat. I didn't put a lot of heat in the salad because I wanted my kid to eat it. This is the delicate step. We're gonna close her up. Okay. And then I'm gonna flip it back onto the plate because this feels upside down to me. Whoop. And this is probably gonna be messy, but I've gotta slice it on the diagonal because that makes sandwiches taste better. Doesn't that look so good? So this sandwich was great, but what if you don't want a sandwich? You can also serve this up like deli-style over salad greens. So let's chop some lettuce. You could use baby spinach, you could use arugula, whatever greens you have on hand. And you can add other crunchy veggies here too, like celery, radish, carrots, cucumber. You could also add some tomato. I'm just keeping it simple today. Do a big dollop right on top. I'm just gonna add a little pinch of crushed pepper on top for heat because I like things a little spicy. I know this looks really simple, but this actually doesn't need anything else. The salad is the dressing. When you toss it in with the greens, it'll coat them and make everything really, really flavorful. It's also great with chips or pita chips for dipping. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this smashed white bean salad. If you have any other questions or you made this salad and want to tell me about it, drop a comment. I love hearing from y'all. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!